Skills crew. So right now we got Sidewinderz versus BioFreaks. Maximal Skills crew versus Sidewinderz crew. Sidewinderz crew. BioFreaks, raise your hands. Sidewinderz crew, raise your hands. Sidewinderz is all the way from across Wisconsin. Give it up for them, y'all. All the way from across Wisconsin. What's good to you? Drop that hotness. Sidewinderz.
So now we're gonna rip you apart. Stop, check it out, my man. This is the music of a hip-hop fan. Jazz, you can call it that. But this jazz contains a new format on it. When you misjudge us, speculating, creating fun. You made the same mistake politicians had. Talking all that jazz. I'm better, but some don't believe it on. But I'm a pro in hot material underwoman. Box in stereo, oh no. Dogs not control. Spanish girls, they like to call me Pancho. On the mic, innovating this pattern. You fell off your brains on Saturday. Take steps and climb my ladder and climb. Climb. Taste the rhythm and climb the time that I lead. Cause their beat is different. Telling and selling like a scotch jet plain from going deep in your skull. My rhyme shines and yours are dull like dirt. And everything's black up, but instead I grab up and stack up like MC, slam down like Tahoe. Scrapping garbage, turns out top and keep clean. I'm in a movie scene. Ears turn and needles lean, cut scratches, and a pop that matches. I'm leaving eyes and brains and patches stuck. So push my luck. Put my emotion up in these duck and watch me. Every day, you hear me stereo, rapping hard. with lots of volume. You hear static? Well, you should find you. No, to do me is real. Cause I was a kid and I went to level. CG walk with style. Touch my man, I'm ripping smile. You know you got but that mean your material sucks. Louder and worse than you can imagine. You best run, cause I'll put a back in your brain. So you can see the real time. Grab a pen and write down the rhyme. And learn it, and learn it, and learn it. Until the sense inside just go and you're the one. Pink with red. Cause now you're red. Learn it from me, so I guess that's all right.
That's it. Heat it up, man. Oh, craziness in the prelims. Next up, we got Master Rhythm Crew versus Gospel Skills Crew. And on deck, we got Swagger Styles versus Noisy Steps. That's it. After that. So,